Hello there, my name is Harumizu and welcome back on my channel. Well, first of all, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I know that is not a very good period, but I'm trying to stay positive and to bring you some new contents. So, maybe I can just keep you company during these days. Yeah, today I will show you how I made my RAPHTALIA makeup. RAPHTALIA is one of my favorite character ever. I just love her. I love her design, I love her story. Yeah, the Rising of the Shield Hero is one of my favorite anime ever. Just, I love now for me. It's so cool. Anyway, I hope you will like this video and I hope you will find this makeup inspiring for your cosplay. As you know, I'm not a makeup artist, I never study makeup stuff, so maybe I will make some mistake, but it's just my way to do her makeup. Anyway, let's start with the video. Okay, so the first step is cover my eyebrows, so I'm using my concealer and then I put this light brown eyeshadow from this palette. I blend it a little bit and then I put more product to make it look more intense. Now I made my eye makeup and I'm using this cream eyeshadow for the base and this light peachy eyeshadow. And I put this darker color to make it more intense. Then I use this color that is called Vanitas or Vanitas, I don't know. It reminds me Vanitas from Kingdom Hearts, to be honest. And I put it in the inner part of my eye and I blend it a lot. Let's do a little bit of baking. I am a mess when I do my makeup. Then I use this darker color and then I use this white eyeshadow in the inner part of my eye, and I also put this one from this Colourpop palette because it has a soft pink shades and I just love it. Okay, eyeliner part. Eyeliner is the most important part for my cosplay makeup, and it takes a lot of time, to be honest. So as always, I'm trying to make the same shape as her eye, and sometimes it's kind of difficult when they have very big eyes, but for RAPHTALIA it's kind of easy for me. Look, I'm super focused. Oh, then I put off all the checks of powder, and now I put some mascara. I always made a strange face when I put on my mascara. Anyway, now it's time for fake lashes. Oh, and of course I put them in a lot of time. It wasn't so easy, I swear. And I love these lashes, I use them for all of my cosplays. Oh, and now we put these under lashes. I cut them into part because they were too big for my eye and also for the effect that I wanna make. Okay. Oh, and then I put some red eyeshadow under my under lashes. As I said in the Hoshako video, I love to put red eyeshadow under my eyes. It makes a super cute dolly effect. I blend it a lot. Oh, and then I use this brown eyeshadow. It's not brown, but you know, I think that this color is perfect to make the handbag. Then some blush, and this one is so intense, guys. I love it. And of course I put it on my cheeks and also on my nose. You know, I love to put brush on my nose. And now I will make some contouring. I don't know if my way to make contouring is right, but to be honest, I will try to make it in a different way next time. But it's okay, I guess, for this makeup. Oh, and yeah, I put it again just above the tip because I love the effect it makes. And then I put my concealer. Okay, I put just a little bit of this lipstick on my lips. And then I use this pastel lip color from Neve Cosmetics. Yeah, I am doing again the same things that I did for Hoshiko makeup. So I'm trying to drop a kind of heart on my lips because, you know, it's so cute, this effect. Then I use this dark brown eyeshadow and I put in the corner part of my lips to make them look bigger, and a little bit of lip gloss. And then the last part of my makeup, the highlighter. Okay, I put it on my nose, on my cheeks, just everywhere. I love this highlighter, it's so intense. The effect, the result is kinda amazing. I use it also for my everyday makeup. I just love it. And that's it. Well, let me know what do you think about this makeup down below in a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Oh, and you will find all my social media links down below, and also all the products that I used for this makeup. And yay, I hope you will have a nice day. See you in our next video. Bye!